Okay, in this video we're gonna look at how to create some simple 2D explosion effect like this. Okay, with this said, let's get started. So first off, we're going to create a simple effect, a particle system, and then you'll have something like this on the scene which you don't probably want. So we're going to come on this particle systems transform and hit reset, and you'll have this. Now this is not something we want as well, so we're going to come on our renderer, and then we're going to select this material and click on this round icon, and from here select the sprite default. And after selecting sprite default, we're going to come on the texture sheet animation. We're going to apply this, and then we're going to select mode grid to sprites, and then we can apply our sprite. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use this square sprite that I have. I'll just drop it on here, and then we're going to need to select the color for this sprite so that it is not white, right? So we're going to come on this start color and click on this, and then you can actually choose a color from here, but I'm not going to do so. I'm just going to click on this color picker thingy and then select this color. This is a pencil color that I want for this scene. Okay, now you will be able to see that this is still not looking that much beautiful or something like explosion. So let's make it something actually look like explosion. So come on emission, and from there decrease the rate of time to 0 and add a burst. Just click on this plus icon and you'll have a burst. Now this looks something like an explosion, but it is yet not an explosion, right? So just come on here, select the start speed, just make it 100, and there you go. It looks something like explosion, but it's quite huge. So let's make it smaller. Now to make it smaller, just come on start size, and then I'm just going to make it 0.1. You're going to choose the size that fits for you. Okay, now still this thing expands all over the scene, which is something I don't really want. So what I'm actually going to do is come on shape excuse me, and then from here I'm going to make the angle 1, and then we're going to select the radius and make it as small as possible. There you go. This might look stupid now, but it will not look stupid in a while. Okay, now with that done, just come on here, the start lifetime, just make it 1. Okay, now with that made 1, you have something like this, but it is not looking like explosion yet, or something like this either. So we're going to select this, and then we're going to come on the size of a lifetime. I cannot actually find it. There you are, size of a lifetime, and then expand it, and then click on this curved line. Then what you're going to need to do is select this thingy and make it lower, and select this stuff, this curve or a pointer or something, and make it up, and there you are. And if you hit restart now, you'll have something like this. Now for an explosion like this, we don't want looping, and we want this duration to be this lifetime duration. So hit 1, and lastly another thing that you're going to need to do is you might want to do is stop action. Now when you have added this thing into a game, you might need to make sure that when this thing is stopped, you have destroyed this game object. Okay, now here's the effect. If I dog this on here and hit restart, you can see it. Okay, now let's look at this on action, right? I'm just going to disable this particle effect, enable my shape, sorry. Okay, now enable my shape on here, and then hit play. There you go. These are the particle system, and this is all what I have for you in this video. Okay, So make sure you have liked the video, and I hope you have liked, and yep, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And yet, if you have get lost on somewhere in this video, in the next video I'm going to share this entire stuff with you. So yeah, subscribe and you have this source code on my next video. Okay, so let's see you soon.